Creating products on Printify doesn't take much time. And once you publish products to your shop, our print providers handle fulfillment and shipping, so you save time and money. First, browse our product catalog and choose from t-shirts, mugs, jewelry, swimsuits, and more. Next, select the most suitable print provider for your needs based on location, color variants, or other criteria. Under each print provider, you'll find shipping and more details, including location, shipping rates and carriers, product sizes and colors, as well as average production time. Now you're ready to design your product with our mockup generator. I've chosen a t-shirt so I can add my design to the front, the back, and sleeves, and even add a custom designed neck label. This is my back print image here. Use the zoom tool to change the size or reposition your artwork. Next, I'll add the sleeve print, and now an inner neck label including all the product information, or for added brand awareness, a back label. However, this is only possible without the inner label and the back print. When you're finished, preview the mockup, save it, and continue. Now choose the color of your mockup, edit the details, including your retail price, and publish your shirt straight to your shop. Now you're ready to sell your artwork on custom printed merchandise, and we'll handle fulfillment and shipping. Printify is free, so you only pay for products after you sell them. Have fun designing your merchandise and making great sales.